Hey, I'm Rushi, co-founder of Movement Labs. We are building the first modular Move virtual machine. You think of Aptos and Sui, who pioneered the project from the Facebook DM days and bringing it to Ethereum, where it can have users, liquidity, and also have next-gen virtual machine technology. I think everyone thinks that EVM is everything, all liquidity is in EVM, and people don't want to move on from it. I think what we've seen in the last few weeks and months is people really opening up to like the Solana VM, the Move VM, and saying, hey, there are better alternative options. And what we're doing with the modular thesis is bringing to Ethereum where their users and liquidity, as well as making the underlying tech stack even compatible. So you can still use a next-gen VM, have parallelization, have security parameters, but still the same tooling. So use MetaMask, use Infura, and still live on Ethereum settlement. So the common misconception is if you use a next-gen VM, it's a layer one, it's a different chain. With the modular thesis, we can now bring Move to Ethereum. I think what we do is focus on being community first, making sure that when we are doing development with other projects or ecosystems, A, giving them a large part of the network so they grow with the network, and B, making sure we're handling their needs on a one-on-one basis. So what we do is provide engineering support, legal support, marketing support, and help them grow from 0 to 1, as well as providing them with actual tooling that they need. So for example, a previous pain point for next-gen builders was not access to MetaMask compatibility. MetaMask has most of the users in today's network, and if you're a next-gen builder and don't have MetaMask, it's a huge pain point for UX. So with our tech stack, you can use the Move VM, use the parallel processing, but still use MetaMask, still use all your favorite APIs, and live within Ethereum. One is performance, second security. Performance side, you have parallel processing through the block STM pattern, which allows you to do concurrent transactions up to 146,000 TPS. What's really important is a concept about noisy fee markets. During times when gas is really high, in bull markets, especially in a time period like now, gas on Ethereum is extremely high, so single-threaded VMs simply can't handle the amount of traffic that's coming in. With parallel execution, you can keep the gas fees very minimal, you can streamline execution, and keep gas at a constant rate. So from a user point of view, you see the same gas every day, instead of Ethereum where it's like $100 one day, $1 another day, and goes up and down. The second thing is security. Move is uniquely focused on formal verification. So every year there's 4 billion lost in hacker attacks. Move is built by Facebook to be the secure programming language for Facebook's stablecoin. So when smart contracts are deployed on top of the Move VM, it checks for resource type memory safety. In today's Ethereum ecosystem, isn't possible with Move. I think what we're going to see is that retirement of the EVM. Bitcoin script was the first programming language that everyone used. And then Ethereum came around, Bitcoiners were like, oh, we don't believe in Ethereum. And that obviously changed. I think in the next 3 years, especially in the last few weeks, what we've seen is VCs and builders have really opened up to the idea of WASM. There's a Fluent team that's doing a great job. Solana VM, Eclipse is doing a great job for that. And we're focused more on the Move VM. So we're going to see the alt VMs really become adopted over the next few years. Liquidity is going to migrate. So think about it this way, right? If you have $100 million assets, you probably want to stake that and store it in a Move secured vault that won't get hacked for millions of dollars versus putting it in a vault that's proven to be hacked multiple times. Think Curve. That's what's going to unfold. And I think for movement, we're going to prioritize making Move the standard in every ecosystem. So today, one of our ecosystem partners built a Move Polkadot module. So really going to every chain ecosystem, and whether it's through the foundation side or through our community, bringing the Move technology stack to other ecosystems everywhere.